Go. What's up, guys? I'm back with another Fortnite video.
And today we are going to be doing I don't know what it's really called, but I think we might be doing like trios. So
Yeah, and today I'm with my other friend. Well, my same friend, but with his other friend.
Yeah,
so I'm
I suck at the game.
You guys,
Shout out to
YouTube channel. It's Randolph McKnight, and
yeah. Shout out to Bud6 and
my YouTube channel is Randolph McKnight.
Yeah, his YouTube channel is Randolph McKnight.
So if you guys want
mine
to
obviously
go do that. But if you want to
check him out.
Check his point of view out. It'll be on his channel and mine will be on there.
Yeah. If you want to, well, I'm saying the same thing he's going to say, but he said. But if you want to see things from his point of view, go on his YouTube channel, Randolph McKnight.
3, 2, 1.
Wait. It's kind of.
Let's redo it. We're trying to do it.
Alright. Okay, 3, 2, 1, go. Oh, kind of. Oh, let's go.
People like that. It's good either way. I like hearing the music.
Okay,
too.
wanna play trios now?
Okay, let's play some trios.
You guys can tell him that I like the music right now.
He can hear.
My screen froze. My screen literally froze.
Oh yeah, I like the music. Even though I don't have it, I still like enjoying the music.
Guys, my screen froze.
The highest battle class can I have, or should I just be loud?
Guys, my screen froze. It's gonna lag me out of
I just want to hear
Fortnite.
you guys do the chicken wing emote. So.
Guys, it lagged me out.
So you're not in Fortnite right now?
Well, it's going to lag me out because my screen froze. So I'll be right back once it lags me out.
Can Slash and I play a duo game and then you join?
Yeah, sure.
Okay. Bye, bro.
Bye.
Hey, it's just you and me. Let's play some duos.
Yeah,
I like
the
this
music.
emote. I just bought it because I had my Fortnite crew.
Yeah.
You guys all know who Flash is and Slash. Almost every one of my videos most likely is also a Slash. If it's not, then that means I'm with Jared or I'm with some other new friends that I met. But yeah, if you haven't checked out the item shop, I'm just giving you a preview of it. I don't know why, but yeah.
Dude, whatever we just do a Victory Royale, just do the freaking chicken wing emote. That's all I want to hear right now.
I swear I just heard his mom say Burger King. Like, I thought the chicken wing, and she thought he said Burger King. I swear that's what I heard. Bro, that's so
No, I just want to hear the chicken wing emote. That's all.
Did she say chicken? Did your mom say chicken wing or Burger King?
She didn't say anything. What do you mean?
Come to me. Get in my little...
Wait, so you found the setting that they could finally hear me now?
What?
You found the setting where they could finally hear me now?
No. I don't know. I just started recording videos normally, and they magically can hear you now.
Beautiful music. I wish I had it, but just beautiful music.
I could gift you. I have 660, but I'm not.
Nah. Yeah, don't do it.
Yeah, I'm not. I don't want to anyway. I could have, but I'm not. I'm only. If you guys didn't know, I'm doing a giveaway when I get to 50 subscribers, which is going to be. I'm going to make a video. You guys are going to post in the comments. I don't know. No.
It's only went to my birthday.
Person posted a comment, but when I get 50 subscribers, I don't know how, but nobody's going to probably post in the comments because probably no one even watches my videos. But yeah, if someone actually is a good true fan and actually someone likes me, and will post a comment in my video, that video I'll make, I will shout them out and I will give them a 2,800 V-Bucks gift card code, or I'll just give them a skin.
I'm just gonna wait till my birthday so I can come out again.
So you could be
just play on Nintendo. I don't play on PlayStation.
You play on Nintendo Switch?
Yeah.
I know that.
I'm still a pretty good player for Nintendo. Got one.
Yep, and apparently he's dead because I was cracked him. No, you got him.
Bonk.
My first kill. Oh, level 40. Let's go, bro.
I just need a couple more to turn that level up.
Got one hit.
One got me. Oh, I want to shoot.
Got both of them.
Can you get the one that's like on me, please? Because then I'm about to die. Please.
If you die, I will reboot you.
Oh, this guy died.
He's that much of
Two
a
of
bot.
them. Huh?
I only have 2 shots, so I might die.
I hope you didn't call me a bot.
I didn't call you a bot, I said, are they a bot?
Yeah, pretty bad. We have to burn down the building. Please, get me. Carry me. Carry me to a victory lap.
Chicken wing is also my new favorite emote. I have 2 shots in my shotgun and I'm really scared because I really need ammo. There's a purple. Ooh! I just got a primal flame bow. I have 0 arrows and I have 0 shots in my shotgun right now. I have 2 shots, which is... I just wasted it! I have 1... Oh, thank God, thank God, thank the mother Lord. Go to the shooting! Oh! I'll kill you. Oh, I knocked one, No! I knocked him. You need to get this win. You need to get this win. Right? Right, Slaz? If you're there. Because who knows if you are.
I'm here. I'm just gonna change my skin.
Okay. Oh. Okay. If you guys haven't, please like and subscribe to my videos. I really appreciate it. And yeah. My microphone's
Where's the Samsung? Oh. Jump in. Okay.
I'm going to the lobby right now. Oh, we hit a roadblock. If you guys look at what I just unlocked. Okay, we need to ready up.
Wait, what you getting level 40? You get a level 40?
Oh, I'm gonna get a 100 V-Bucks, bro. Let's go. I just got a spray paint on. I'm gonna get a. Let's go get 700 V-Bucks soon. If I get tier 100, I will get 1,000 V-Bucks from now. So I'll be at like 1,000, 2,000 maybe, about almost close. So if I do that, or look
I
at
don't think you'll be able to reach it today. Approximately
not
tomorrow.
today, but can you ready up? I don't have all day on my video.
Yeah. I'm just saying chicken wing, you know.
Look at the muscle man.
Because it's
So
good. I'm just listening to chicken wing video because it's so good. Literally, if I could go into the video game and I could have one dance, it would be chicken wing. Chun-Li and chicken wing. Imagine.
well, I am the emote that I did.
Yeah, chicken wing.
Yeah. Well,
It's like
I
my
don't know how you're
icon.
gonna get it. You're gonna have to earn V-Bucks in the item shop or something.
Nah,
I mean
bro.
the battle
I
pass.
want to wait till my birthday. If it comes out on my birthday, I swear to God, I'm so happy.
That means Fortnite's watching you secretly.
What?
What? I just said anything. Chicken wing, my game pro.
I'm gonna do my fast edits.
Bro,
What to practice on?
give it up. I can edit way faster.
You don't gotta like, gotta be like that. You're trying to edit.
Watch this.
You don't gotta be like that.
Let me sweep up your mess.
It's nothing. What do you mean? It's just flowers.
Wait. Watch this. When I do that emote, it taps his face. Let me tap your face, bro. Oh, me tap. Look, come here.
No, I'm just gonna edit.
Tap. I flipped him.
Edit.
Flip.
Yeah, they're good.
Not as fast as I can go because I'm laggy right now. I'm laggy. Flash related.
Invite Flash.
Look at my ping. I have 100 ping almost. Should I invite Flash?
Yeah. Wait, did Flash also get V-Bucks to get the thing from the?
He doesn't have 40
Is it called the crew back? Oh. How did he get it?
He only got it at the beginning for the girl. I'm pretty sure he only has the girl. That's it. Unless I think he might still have it.
What do you
Why?
mean?
He got chicken wing?
Yeah, I'm asking how.
I don't know how. I don't
If he
think
didn't have the
had
crew
the
back.
Fortnite crew.
Dude, that's just literally. Literally.
I invited him twice. Literally, it says error. So we either leave and join him, or we just don't care and don't join. I'm landing on this
No,
pump.
he's your friend. Well, I just left Chun-Li.
I got 2 pumps.
No wonder I like to use Chun-Li.
I just like the skin. I like the skin too.
I mean, you can get it, you know that, right? Whenever you go to like tier 100, you'll get it.
Why? Oh yeah, because I'll have enough V-Bucks, which won't be in the item shop.
I mean, who knows?
Maybe.
It probably will. And I die. Because I suck. After this, let's just do creative. Because I want to edit. I want to like sweat out.
Well then no, then we're not playing creative. I don't want to play creative anymore then.
What?
If we're just going to sweat out, then I don't want to play.
You don't like creative anymore?
Not as much, because I play it way too much.
Dang, ever since your YouTube channel, you stopped playing creative.
Oh no, I play creative too much.
Dude, every single time I play with you, you're like, you want to do the duo? I don't hear a mention of creative. I don't hear like, one of creative. Hey, can you please get my Rubik card? It's about to expire. I'd appreciate it. Come on, don't die. Don't die on me, bro. If you do, I'm gonna be sad.
Should I just snatch a car and run?
After the, if you do die, I'm not saying you will. If you do, I just want to spend 2 minutes listening to you doing chicken wing.
Bet.
That's all I want to hear right now. Just chicken wing. Just chicken wing hot dogs on my bologna. That's all I want to hear.
Do you have any hot dogs on your bologna?
Yeah. I always have some. I make like 2 hot dogs and I put on my bologna. I'm paranoid. If you can later, can you reboot me because I don't want to like watch my screen all day.
I'm paranoid. I have to try and win.
2 minutes of chicken wings.
No, bro, he just sprayed. Is that all he did was spray me? Bro.
True.
Flash, why don't you join? I'm already about to level up somehow.
I'm going to existential crisis.
Fair bet, I agreed to it, so 2 minutes.
Let's go! I finally get to hear the chicken wing on my bologna.
I was probably distracted because I was talking to you. I focus a lot better when I'm not talking.
Yes. Yes.
About 1 more minute. Why? Wait for the minute to go back. About 1 second now. Well, 1 more minute. If you guys see, I am really close to leveling up that little bit. And I'll get 100 people. I haven't posted a video in a while. I think my last video was
You haven't played creative in a while.
2 days ago was my last video, and I promised to upload once a day, and crap.
I want to get it. I want to get the emote that freaking Lara has because it looks so good with Chun-Li.
Lara?
And I could just
Lara.
Lara Croft.
Lara. Who's Lara Croft? What?
From the
item
Battle
shop?
Pass.
Oh,
Battle Pass. Dude, I love the emote with Chun-Li because I could do a freaking Street Fighter roleplay. You just cartwheel all around, just
Lara
dodge.
Croft, her emo? Oh.
Yeah, Chun-Li could just like do all that and just dodge, literally. That's
This?
how fun she is. Yeah, the one that you have. Sadly, I don't have it.
Well, it's been a minute, so 2 minutes. Let's play some creative.
Finally, creative. I can slap my head in town. I'm gonna use my new pickaxes. Actually, no. Go.
Pushing every button on my keyboard.
I think I'm gonna tell Wheezy if he could gift me the chicken wingy.
Who?
Wheezy, my friend Wheezy.
Bro, I could gift you it if you participated in my 50 subscriber thing. Like, if you win, if you get it, then I'll give you a 2,800 V-Bucks, 2,800 V-Bucks gift card. That will buy you like five of them.
Okay, this is the thing.
How
do I redeem it?
I'll give you the code, or I'll give you the pin number, or I'll just gift you anything you want. I'll buy the 2,800, or I'll put it on my account, and I'll gift you everything till I have exactly 200. I spent 2,800, or I'll just give you the pin for you to spend it. What would you rather like? 'Cause you might not be able
Oh,
to
okay.
win. All you have to
Okay,
do
this
is
is the
go into
thing.
my video I'm gonna post on when I get 50 subscribers, and just post a comment. You subscribe and post a comment, and once you post a comment, I will try to get you
But what if
added
I'm
to the
already
50.
subscribed?
And how do I know you're subscribed? Because I know
No,
you're
I'm just
not.
saying, but if I do and I already did it.
If you subscribe to me and you post a comment in my video when I get 50 subscribers, then I will randomly scroll through the chat, the comments, and whoever I get on is the winner. I'm only doing one, so.
Okay, this is the thing.
Should we do color cube puzzle?
Okay,
The
this is the
Rubik's
thing.
cube?
On my phone, my account name, I just do like a random name, just like a girl name, and then my last name. So yeah, because I'm like random. I do whatever.
Oh yeah, so post a comment and tell me what your name is, and if I land on you, then yeah.
And you already know what my name is. It's freaking
Class,
surprise.
I already added you, but I'm
So,
telling my friends. I don't know. I'm gonna have to end the video pretty soon. At 25 minutes, I'll end it because I can't go longer to 30 minutes. That's way too long. Wouldn't you say? Use the buttons or
um,
shoot the cube edges to move it. Wait, what happened?
I'm gonna name myself to BHE and Miko God.
Toggle randomize it. I
I'm gonna rename myself BHE Slizzy Clicks. BHE Clicks Slizzy. Yeah, I like that. I'm gonna go back to Hub. And I'm gonna bust it out of my edits. So basically, I have to post a comment on your latest video.
On my latest, the video that I'll post when I get 50 subscribers.
If you want, you can join it. Then we could do free battle. But if you don't want to, then I'm just gonna like bust it out of my edits.
I actually think I have to go.
Why?
Oh no.
Sleep?
Probably.
Because today, for me, it's Friday, and I
Yeah,
get to
I
sleep
know,
whenever
but
I
for
want.
me, it's Friday too. But for me, it's also 10 o'clock.
For me, it's 8:03. Where do you freaking live?
Your mom's house.
Okay, buddy, don't do that. That's actually disrespectful.
It's a joke. Gosh.
Yeah.
You guys see what I am at right now?
I'm guessing you live at freaking Texas or Canada.
No, not even close, bro. Oh my God, my parents are just.
I'm just guessing.
Please like and subscribe, guys. My parents are being just, yeah, annoying. My dad is, at least. He has no patience. Please like and subscribe, hit the post notifications, and yeah, please try and enter my giveaway when I hit 50 subscribers, or try and be my 50th subscriber. And yeah, peace.